about Halloween facts. You always celebrate Halloween, you always go out for trick-or-treating, but have you ever wondered why? Or why we wear some costumes and go out for trick-or-treating? Well, for the first reason, we wear costumes so we could distract all of the spirits. And do you know why? Long ago, so people think that spirits can haunt us because they get disturbed by the human beings, so they can haunt them. But the people had think their brains that we can dress up and do bonfires everywhere across the world. And we also go trick-or-treating for Halloween because just for fun for children. And second, why do you put bonfires everywhere? Because the bonfires can scare away the spirits. So no spirits can haunt them. But this fact is not really true. But it's for fun to celebrate. So we all celebrate Halloween.